Okay, so you're telling me I can ask ChatGPT anything. All right, let's see. Where is PETA? That intro was for my OGs. I have a really fun Dollar Tree haul today. Now that we've all gotten over the no surprise of my hat choice for today, let's dive into it. Okay, so let's see, what did I actually go? Let's do this bag first. Micah came to me the other day. So we have this walking trail, and even before we moved to Florida, we had a walking trail, and it's just so majestic to us, and you can tell little kids have also found it majestic because there's a certain section where, you know, somebody leaves a little something like for fairies, and Micah wanted to get some stuff. We're at Hobby Lobby, but it wasn't on sale. And I'm like, one of those, I'm like, no, if it's not on sale at Hobby Lobby, we don't shop it this week. They're not getting me this week because it's just going to be on sale next week, which I don't understand. Why doesn't it just all go on sale every week then at that point? But whatever. So, went to Dollar Tree and I found these really adorable fairy doors. The quality's so good. And I could totally see these like kind of pushed up against like a tree trunk to make it look like, you know, a door leading in, kind of like the Shire, Lord of the Rings kind of things. And look how gorgeous this door is. I got all the ones that they had because I didn't know which one she was going to like, or if she was just going to like use all of them because she wants to take them back, you know, on the walk. This one's actually beautiful. There's steps leading up to it, $1.25. The backs are not finished. And then we have this blue one. I love that it has the lantern and that it's yellow, so it appears to have that lit look. I don't know what this is. I don't know if somebody just got like really tired and bored, but it would have been fun if this like kind of looked like a pot of flowers, but maybe it's supposed to be water. I don't know. I think they dropped the ball on that one a little bit. And then we have this one, which is so freaking cute. I'm not a fan of Believe, but also in the same realm being fairies. It makes sense too. Like, could there have been maybe a cuter word? I think so, but Believe, I do think also fits in quite well. So I don't know why I'm being a little harsh on this one, but like, look how beautiful that is. And then the last one also has mushrooms, and it looks like this. I mean, the detail work, as you can see through the little window. Like, that is just stunning. Let me just, whoa. I'm just gonna like set them up right here. Maybe I'll do like a pan shot for you so you can see all of them a little bit closer together. Like, those were $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So I did get them for Micah. Do they all say something? Actually, this one doesn't. I just realized this one says dream. This one says dream right here at the top. And then this one says believe, and this one says home. I just now noticed that. So this one says home. I think this one's my personal favorite, but anyways, those are for her. So we've got that bag. And then in here, I was super excited when I found more of some of my favorite socks. So they're labeled as like the diabetic socks. I like that they're the ankle size, and I'm literally wearing Dollar Tree socks right now. Unless I get like super desperate and I can't find my socks and I just need a new pack, I'll either go to Walmart or Amazon, but that rarely happens because I do just always wear Dollar Tree socks. So I got those. Then I picked up more of these 2-pack masks. I just think it's such a steal to get 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So these are a mask for your thighs, which I also kind of think is hilarious. I like the red in it. I think it'll be cute for a Valentine's Day gift basket. Sassy thighs. Okay. Firming and smoothing sheet mask. I want to know how this is gonna firm. Okay. Then we've got another Freeman. This is the cooling gel mask. It's like a little 10-minute mask. Again, it's a 2-pack and it's $1.25. And then another Freeman. This is the aloe and sea berry. How amazing are these? I love the mask so much. Then I found another one of these. These are actually one of my favorites, and honestly, just aesthetically. I'm just gonna admit it, but I also just love Be Pure, and I love the strawberry thing going on. So I got another one of those. Then I found some new games. I thought these were really cool. So we've got this brand right here, Classic Games. This is a little brand at Dollar Tree, by the way. So they're just like Jot and Crafter Square and Be Pure and all of that. But this is obviously in the gaming realm. They're also the same brand that they do the playing cards. And they used to be the brand that did the jumbo playing cards. But don't get me started on that. I'm literally trying to figure out why we don't get those jumbo cards anymore. But this is the checkers game. And I'm gonna go ahead and just open it so we can see. So here's, yeah, all the little pieces are in here. Oops, oh, don't eat those, Loki. Don't eat them. But yeah, so you get the black and the white, and then it's like a little board. I think this is really cute, especially maybe for someone at the office. You know, I feel like it's like one of those things, you know, where somebody has like the sand and you kind of like play with the sand. This could be a cute piece for an office. And then I found this one, which I'm not gonna unpack, but it's like a maze, and then you have to get the little, obviously, to the center or wherever the center is. So these were definitely brand new. They were $1.25. I know we've all been talking about hearing the rumblings of price increases. I haven't seen it. The only time I saw the most random price increase were the calendars for $1.50. I've yet to see anything else that is over $1.25 unless it's in the bonus section. Okay, so there's that. Okay, then I picked up another cleaning brush. Just need these. It's like a restock for me. If you didn't watch one of my last Dollar Tree hauls, I'll link some of my previous ones down below. Go watch them. They've been amazing this past month, each and every one of them. My mom found brown and black, and then I went to this Dollar Tree and found blonde. So I wanted to show it to you guys. This will be a donation item for me because I'm not a blonde. But I still wanted you guys to be able to see this. So when I saw the package too, by the way, I saw blonde, brown, and black. I didn't see for redheads or any like shades of like different blondes and different browns. So there's that. Then I picked up these, the Always. I love these so much. I actually get them from Walmart, so I was really shocked to see them at Dollar Tree. They're just like the no feel protection thin liners, and that's true. You cannot feel them. I love these. They just make me feel so fresh. And I'm not gonna lie, like in my 30s, I would never have done this because to me, it would have made me feel like embarrassed or like, I mean, I want to be a golden girl, but I don't want to be a golden girl if you get my vibe. But let me tell you, once you get on this, the freshness that you just feel is unmatched. And yeah, Dollar Tree has their own brand. Is it Be Pure? I really like theirs, and I'll pick theirs up every once in a while as well. I will say the difference though is obviously this is a big name brand. It's Always. If my camera would focus, what's it focusing on? It might be focusing on my lamp, but the stickiness. That's the difference. I can say that from using the Be Pure to comparing to these, which are my favorite, these just win because the adhesive stickiness is just better. You know, it doesn't move at all. So there's that. Okay, then I picked up these little hair clips. They're really cute. They're brand new. I've never seen them before. However, for me, I'm gonna use these for junk journaling. I thought maybe like slipping them like on the sides or something and using it kind of like a paper clip to hold papers would be really adorable. So I did that. Okay, then I found the 2025 Astrology release of the books, and I got all 12, so I'm super excited. So here is Gemini, purple. Yeah, it is your astrology for 2025. Discover what the stars have in store, love, health, money, and more. So Gemini. Then we have an Aries. Comment, let me know who you are. Taurus. This is my fellow Earth sign. Took me a minute, right? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? Yeah, Earth. So Virgo, Libras, which are an air sign, Pisces, water sign, Capricorn, which is me, Earth sign, Aquarius, air sign, Sagittarius, fire sign. I know, this one's Micah. Scorpio, fire sign. Leo. Cancer's water. Is Leo air? But anyways, did I get everybody? Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I don't know what, anyways, y'all get it. Y'all feel me. So I'm really excited that I found all 12 of them. Then I picked up these new little toys. I almost walked right past them, and then I flipped them around on the back, and I was just like, yes, for junk journaling. So when I looked at it, immediately it looked like ephemera to me. So that's why I got it. As you can see, she's kind of like on a nice thick board. She's gonna stand and pop up on these little stands here. And then you can like color. Obviously, these are great for kids, a little to-go packet, traveling, you know, put it in their little backpacks for the airport, whatever. These are great. For this 40-year-old, I want it for junk journaling. So it comes with like a whole pack of stuff. Stickers and the markers, as you can see right there. Then I got Jasmine. Or I guess these are the Disney princesses, actually. So here's Jasmine right here. Ariel looks so freaking cute. I gotta open this one. Wait, is this gonna be my thumbnail? Let me take my thumbnail real quick because I don't want to open it and ruin it. All right, I took my thumbnail, so I have to open up this one now and just kind of like take a little peek. Oh, look how cute. Yeah, see, so I'll like pop her out and I'll use her as just, you know, pieces. And then look, you even get stickers, and then you get all of these coloring sheets, which is really fun. So love that. And then the third one that I got is Minnie and Daisy. Oh my God, are they not precious? Who are they talking to? Who are they on the phone with? I don't know, but I think that's adorable. So anyways, yeah, thought those were really fun. And then I'm gonna end on my favorite, and they're the cards. The cards are so good. I wish I could just convey, like, I want y'all to love junk journaling so much like me, or even like how we talked about sending letters to each other again, like snail mail, like what happened to that art? It's a lost art. But you guys, look at this Valentine's Day card with the bear. So he's like floating, holding on to his little balloon. That is actually precious. And in person, so much prettier because there's glitter detail that just gives it that extra something special. I also picked up this one. Listen, I probably have 10 of these in my collection. this exact same one, like it's come back every year. This one I don't remember. This one I feel like is new this year, but this one's been around for a minute. This one was also out last year, and so this is like my third or fourth one, but I just love it. Again, in person, that glitter is just so freaking pretty. And I picked up this one. I've also picked it up before in the years past, the little roller skate girl. I love it, cute. Then I found this one, which is so good. And from a junk journaling perspective, I do ignore sometimes the words or the sentiments. So it's not something that's that serious when it comes to junk journaling. I don't care. I don't care what it says. And if I do, I'll cover it up, kind of thing. I just love the cupcakes. Like, look how good the cupcakes look. Each one of them is so pretty. So I got that one. Then I found this one, and this one's like a get well card, but it was done so perfectly from a junk journaling perspective in my mind, because it doesn't say, hey, you're sick. It just says, heard you were in for repairs. And I think that's really cute. And I love the vintage look of it. How have I missed this one? This one's so good. I got this one again. I have to. The little sailboats. This one I also don't remember from last year, but maybe y'all know how my brain is. But look how it kind of like looks like the cloud right there. Comes with a yellow envelope. I love these little sailboats. Then I got this one. She's been around for a few years, little pony. She's super cute. And then I had to get another one of my favorite robots. He is usually one of the first to go. From my personal experience, he's rare to find at Dollar Tree. Like, he goes immediately. Then this guy is actually vintage. I don't even know if he's available this year. I actually pulled it from my stash because I wanted to show you guys these, but yeah, this was not a recent purchase. I have not seen this purple dinosaur this year, but comment and let us know if you've seen him. He's so freaking cute. But y'all, get ready for St. Patty's Day cards. So again, I just wanted to like pull these and show them to you because they're so stunning. And some of these cards are like, I think the small ones might be 50 cents. The bigger ones are they still running $1? Yeah. All of these cards I got were $1, but I'm wondering if the smaller sized ones are running 50 cents. I don't know, but I just wanted y'all to get a little quick glimpse, because when St. Patty's cards start coming out, I'm telling you, they're so good. Like, look at this guy. Oh, so adorable. But that's it. That's my haul for today. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, thank you to everyone who's been ordering all my kits. I actually made 2 random game board kits, so if you want to order them, they're completely ready to go. I'll ship them out. I packed them with goodies. And I put up my circus kit. I put up my St. Patty's Day kit. I only put up a couple though, so if you want to get your hands on them, I actually was not planning on dropping them. So they've been a sold out listing. And then late last night, I was like, you know what? I still got some material. Let me throw up a couple more. And one of you have already ordered my circus kit, and one of you have already ordered my St. Patty's Day kit. So thank you so much for that. This is my game board kit, by the way. It's filled with like all the gaming pieces and cards and fun ephemera and stuff. So that's that. And thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.